Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sheldon here again. Today I'm going to unbox the Ultra Custom Ergo wired mouse from Pawnage. This lightweight and ultra customizable mouse is one of two models that the forward-thinking company Pawnage produces. Shout out to Pawnage for sending me this mouse so I can give an honest review. So let's unbox, set up, and look at all the features of the Ultra Custom Ergo wired mouse. So opening the box of the Pwnage Ultra Custom Ergo mouse, right away you can see I got the white wired version. This Ergo mouse comes in two base versions, white and black, and has a surprisingly long 6-foot USB cord. Other things we got in the baggie looks like some spacers and weights, DPI buttons, and other accessories. We then got some extra textured side grips, and in another box, Pwnage provides an extra white solid shell, a honeycomb black shell, a solid black shell, and a black button cover. Then we have a detailed user manual to get you started. So all in all, a nice bonus to help you customize this mouse right out of the box. Now taking a closer look at the Ultra Custom mouse, this lightweight mouse, which comes in between 58 and 86 grams, depending on customization chosen, is perfectly made for gaming. With people in recent years now preferring a light mouse instead of a heavy one, like my old reliable Logitech G502 mouse, this Ergo mouse is the next step in wired gaming mice. The honeycomb sides, top and bottom really make this mouse lightweight, functional, and surprisingly sturdy for long gaming sessions. Some specs of this Ergo mouse is the 120mm length and 66mm width. It has RGB lighting, 6 buttons, a paracord flexible cable, polling rates of 125, 500, and 1000 Hz for less lag, resolutions between 200 to 16,000 dpi, a max speed of 40 IPS, and it has 100% Teflon feet for easy sliding. But what is one of the best features with all Pwnage mice is the ability to customize their mouse to your exact liking. Unlike other mice where you may be able to change the weight of the mouse or the RGB colors, the Ultra Custom mouse allows you to change the shells and the colors of the mouse to suit either your setup colors or your gaming performance. By just pulling on the shell without using any tools, you can swap out shells and change them to any of the 20 style of covers and 10 different styles of buttons available on the Pwnage.com website. Now in the plastic bag is some extra Teflon skates that give you a smooth glide and great movement control. Extra black and white DPI switch covers that come in 2 different heights. Button and spacers to customize the softness of the button clicks from soft to crisp and tactile. Pawnage also provided some extra side grips that are easy to apply and remove to give you added grip over the honeycomb sides. So these are a great way to change the appearance even more of your mouse. These also can be purchased on the Pwnage.com website for about $5. So plugging in the mouse into my computer, I find the grip comfortable and the mouse fits perfectly in the palm of my medium-sized hand. The DPI button on top is responsive when pressed, changing the speed of the mouse's on-screen movement on the fly. When using the DPI button, the RGB colors of the mouse will change in relation to the DPI you set on the mouse, from 200 to all the way to 16,000 DPI. Forward and back side buttons don't feel mushy, and the top buttons 1 and 2 are incredibly solid and secure with the ability to switch them out easily. The sound clicks of the buttons are pleasant and not distracting during gameplay. With the option to add button spacers, I love that you can change the travel time 4 clicks to help you, especially with FPS games. Either using the mouse with a palm or claw grip is easy and comfortable with any average hand. Also on the bottom of this mouse is the ability to change the polling rate from 1500 and to 125 to reduce the lag between the mouse and the computer for better gaming. Although I most likely will probably keep it around 500 for the time being. With a customizable weight distribution system where you can add or remove one of the 12 weights included, the Pwnage Ultra Custom mouse really allows you to fine-tune and optimize your mouse to your preference. I'm coming from a heavy mouse, so it's taken me a little time to get used to this lightweight mouse. But over time, I expect to fully embrace this lightweight trend. The next step to fully get into this customization of the Ultra Custom mouse is downloading the Ultra Custom software from Pawnage.com. This software allows you to delve deeper into what this mouse can really do. So you got 5 pages of customization using the Pawnage Ultra Custom software. In key assignment, you can map and switch each of the buttons and the wheel on the mouse. DPI section sets precision much more accurately than the manual switch on the bottom of the mouse. So if you want an exact number such as 450 or 1300 DPI, you can be more precise in the app. LED allows you to modify and choose one of 9 custom light effects of the mouse, or turn off LED altogether. You can also adjust brightness, change color, and change speed of the mouse RGB. The more advanced options of the mouse can be found in the advanced sections such as sensitivity, scrolling, click speed, and can even change the lift-off position of the mouse. Custom macros also can be performed in the app. Macros can also be made up for your mouse. Also, you can save up to 5 custom profiles of the settings for your mouse. Using the Ultra Custom mouse in gameplay, in my case Battlefront 2, it did take me a few matches to get used to it. For someone like me coming from a heavier and less customizable mouse, such as my Logitech G502 mouse, this feels way different. I did use the mouse with its honeycomb cover option and the full 12 weights that it came, and found the Ultra Custom to be ultra sensitive and a little bit too light for me. But with tweaking the DPI by using the manual button and then further with the software, I found my sweet spot. Gameplay was much improved, and using characters such as snipers, I found my aim better and steadier. One of the best customizable features that all Pawnage mice have has got to be the over 900 combinations of color, shells, and buttons that are available for you to make this mouse your own. For $12, each set comes with a button cover, solid shell cover, honeycomb cover, and even 2 DPI buttons. Switching out covers and buttons are easy to do. The shell is held down by magnets and easy to remove without tools. You can use your fingernails to switch out the DPI buttons to different colors or make them longer. The Pwnage Ultra Custom Ergo mouse is a great mouse. I'm really happy with it. Some of the things I like are the customizable shells and buttons. Pawnage makes so many color combinations available, you're bound to find the right color for your setup. The weight of the mouse is light and adjustable. For people like me coming from a heavy mouse, the adjustment wasn't too bad, and my gameplay was a touch better, especially in first-person shooter games. If you're into RGB, I think this is the mouse for you. So many colors are available in multiple display formats. And the last thing I like about this mouse is the ergonomic. I don't have an overly large or small hand, so it may be a problem for you, but for me, the mouse fits like a glove. Some cons of this mouse that I found in the white wired version of it is that the cord is white and prone to dirt and dust. It also could get in the way of gaming if not tucked away properly. The wired version of this mouse may be a better option. I think the honeycomb shell is pretty, but the solid shell is more gamer friendly for long sessions. But all in all, this mouse is a great buy at $59 and would be a good upgrade for most budget setups. So that was a look at the Pwnage Ultra Custom Ergo mouse. As always, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can pick one of these up. Any questions or comments about this mouse, drop them down below. And look out for my unboxing of another Pawnage mouse, the Ultra Custom Wireless Sim. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for Shell Tech videos. Thanks for watching.